Alright, so here's the exit ticket from 8.1 and 8.2, looking at arithmetic and geometric sequences. First, write the first three terms. So I'm given an explicit formula. A sub 1 would be 4 minus 5 times 1. 4 minus 5, that would be negative 1. A sub 2 would be 4 minus 5 times 2. 4 minus 10, that's negative 6. A sub 3 is 4 minus 5 times 3. 4 minus 15 is negative 11. Right? Whether the sequence is explicit or recursive, well, I think I already said that. This is an explicit formula. I really should have said formula, not sequence. And write whether the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. Well, you can tell we keep subtracting 5. So it's adding negative 5 to previous term, which makes it, each time we're adding negative 5, it makes it arithmetic. Let's go to our next one. G sub 1 is negative 3. G sub n is 4 times the previous term. Right away I can tell that this is recursive. It's got two parts to the formula. My first term is negative 3. My second term, I multiply by 4 and I get negative 12. My third term, I multiply by 4 and I get negative 48. Write whether the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. I keep multiplying by 4, and I can see my constant ratio is 4 because negative 12 divided by negative 3 is 4. Negative 48 divided by negative 12 is positive 4. So I'm multiplying by 4 each time to previous term. Therefore, it is geometric.